welcome to the post-game press conference. ENP bounces back and gets their 7th win. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Chot Reyes, and our best player of the game, R.R. Boy. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chot, after that uncharacteristic last game, how important was it to be able to bounce back today and deliver on both ends of the floor by limiting Phoenix to just below 100 points and also scoring 100?
Well, first of all, we talked about this before the last game. It's really hard to play teams that have nothing to lose. And you saw how Terra Firma played in the last game. They were playing freely, they were hitting all the shots. And I take full responsibility because I failed to prepare the players enough for a situation like that. So the disappointing part was our defense was non-existent in the last game, and that was all we talked about yesterday at practice. So we wanted to make sure that we go back to who we are, the way we play defense. So you're right, the last game was very uncharacteristic, but take nothing away from Terra Firma. They played a hell of a ball game, they shot the lights out. And then we run into a hurricane named Nonoy. Hurricane Nonoy kicked our butts the last game. So I think it was very important for us to take the lesson from that game into today's ball game.
Thank you, Coach Chot. Now, nabanggit na nga ni Coach Chot that the goal for today was to go back to your defensive needs. What positive shifts na nakita mo today, both on individual and team defense para sa field?
Siguro nung last game kasi parang ang selfish namin, hindi kami nagtutulungan. So nakita namin ngayon kung sino yung kailangan tulungan, nagtutulungan na kami, lalo na sa help side. So yun nga, pag ganun yung depensa namin, last game, wala talaga ng chance manalo. So ni-remind kami palagi ni Coach na kung gusto natin manalo, depensa natin.
Thank you, Laura. Now we would like to open the floor for friends from the media.
Congratulations. What's yung last game parang warning din sa inyo na you can play as good as the last game against Ginebra and you can play as bad as Fairfield. How important yung consistency na pasok na tayo sa playoffs.
Exactly. This happened to us also last conference. We were on a good run and Terra Firma beat us. I guess no matter how much I remind the players, no matter how much I talk to them, until they really feel what's happening in the game, it's hard for them to, I guess, believe what we were trying to warn them about. But like I said, they came in with a very good game plan against us. There was nothing wrong with our offense. We scored over 100 points, but we just couldn't stop their offensive incursions. So in the first half, they got a lot from inside. In the second half, they hit everything from the 3-point line. That was the story of the ball game. Hopefully that we are able to take that lesson to heart.
Coach, how do you see your big four that tries to beat kasi mabigat pa yung kalaban with San Miguel and despite their struggles in Riverside?
I think it's very remote at this point because even if we win our last 2 games, which is not a certainty, even if we win our last 2 games, we will tie most probably with Northport and Eastern, to whom we both lost. So out kami in that situation, right? So right now, our fate is no longer in our hands. So the best thing we can do is just focus on what's in front of us. And right now, at San Miguel on Sunday, it's good that we were able to get our guys some rest in the last quarter of this ball game. But we have no illusions about San Miguel at all. We know how strong that team is, especially now they're fighting for survival. So we have to be prepared for a real huge war on Sunday.
Coach, what can you say about the second stringers? They were able to maintain your big lead umabot pa nga sa 40 with the second stringers.
Yeah, well, that's the reason for them being in the team, right? All of them have specific roles to play, and if you will take a look at the makeup of that unit, they are really all that solid defensive players. So, if we set out to really play defense, they're ideal to be in that position.